Hi friends, this is Ashwini Astogi. I'm a registered valuer, SFA, registered with IBBI. SFA means security of financial asset. Only um, security or financial I can do the valuation, not for your land and building or plant and machinery. I'm not specialized on that matter. So, for as per the Company Act, Section 247 authorize the certificate of valuation report or valuation is need to be issued by the registered valuer only. So for the purpose of issue of shares, issue of sweat equity shares, the RB only can issue the certificate. RB can also issue certificate in respect of financial reporting. Ind AS 113 IFRS 13 is required fair value. What will be the fair value? What will be the impairment? Is there any impairment? Need to be tested by the auditor. So need to rely valuation. Valuation need to be done by the registered valuer only. Ind AS 102 ESOPs. Ind AS 103 business combination. This kind of valuation is required by the RB. SFA only. So RB is also authorized to issue valuation certificate in respect of intangible asset, goodwill, trademark, patent. So RB certificate also is required in case of issue of shares for non-cash item other than cash. Suppose the promoter is giving some kind of asset to the company and company in lieu of that issues equity shares, then the other than cash item need to be determined by the RB only. So fairness opinion, it need to be determined by the RB. In case of amalgamation demerger, or in case of some kind of arrangement, some kind of swap ratio need to be determined by the RB based upon the valuation of merged company, valuation based upon the amalgamating company. The swap ratio need to be determined by the RB only. So in case of ESOPs, at the time of grant of ESOPs, merchant banker category 1 can issue the certificate. But at the time of allotment of shares, allotment of ESOPs, the RB certificate is authorized. So for the purpose of special purpose valuation, such as startup is looking from the finance perspective. I am inviting foreign venture capitals to some kind of foreign investment. So for the purpose of FDI, as per FEMA, is RB is a person who is authorized to issue the valuation report, valuation certificate. Some kind of stress asset by the banker. Banker need to determine the valuation. The valuation is can be given by the RB only. So these are the some kind of inclusive report, inclusive item. Those are the given by the RB only. So in case of IBC, Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, the IRP RP within 7 days of his appointment need to appoint two registered valuer to determine the liquidation value of the company. So IRP RP is appointed within 7 days. Some registered valuer who can determine the liquidation value. So registered valuer is a person who is totally independent in nature. He cannot be auditor or associated in any other manner with the company. So he need to comply internationally accepted valuation standard or some valuation standard issued by the RBO. So as of now, ICAI RBO is issued valuation standard. So hope so this video is for your understanding what is RB and what kind of certificate is required from the RB only. Thank you.